Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherelle. If you're new here, hi, how are you? You guys, today I am at Jollibee's, but I don't know if I'm gonna be here at Jollibee's. First of all, I am in a snowstorm. I am in a snowstorm out here, y'all. So y'all gotta appreciate the effort. Like, it's crazy out here. It's a real freaking snowstorm, and I'm out here trying to get some Jollibees. Like, but the line is super long. It's like I'm in line, but I'm not in line. It's like Jollibee's is way over there, but the line is like in the center of a parking lot of a mall. So it's kind of confusing and crazy. It almost like make me not want to do this video today because of the snowstorm and because of how they're doing things. Like, I don't even know. It's crazy. Y'all. I don't understand what's going on. Like, I don't know. I might leave. I'm not sure. Because, like, I feel like by the time I get my food, it's going to be too dark to do the video. And if I do get the food and it's dark, I might just take it home and do the video. I don't know. But I just don't have no privacy at home. That's the only thing. Is like, y'all, it's crazy. Oh, and before I left my house, when I typed in the directions to get here, it said that they were temporarily closed. But I'm assuming it was saying that because, I'm assuming it was saying that because the capacity of, like, it's so many people here. This is the grand opening, the first day. So maybe that's why they're saying it's temporarily closed, to stop people from coming until they can, like, slow down. But they ain't gonna slow down, baby. I wonder how long I'm gonna be in this line if I decide to stay, because y'all, it's 3:27 right now. I told my mom, well, I asked my mom if she could pick up my son from school today, because I wanted to do the video. But y'all, the snowstorm and the way they got this going, I don't understand. The guy said the line was moving pretty fast, but I ain't seeing it at all. And I don't have that much gas in my car to have my car just on, so I kind of want to turn it off, but I don't know what he's doing. At this point, I'm like, I don't know, y'all. It's a lot going on. Like, I think they open up at 10 or 10:30. I'm not sure. But yeah, I had to get off work first, y'all. And yes, I'm back in my Puma, the same gray sweatsuit. Yeah, I'm back in that. But yeah. Alright. I just gotta drive back home safely because I am, like, seriously in the snowstorm out here. And I don't like driving in this type of stuff because I don't like my car sliding, and it's just crazy. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all when I get the food. I don't know. And my battery about to die. I gotta change my battery anyway. Okay, y'all, I know y'all can't really understand this, but look, the line is like crazy. It's like I'm looking forward, and then the line goes all the way around these lines. Y'all can't see the lines because I told y'all I'm in a snowstorm. But then again, y'all, Jollibee's is over here. It's over there. So the lines start all the way over here somewhere. And I know y'all just like, what are we looking at? I don't know. But it's crazy. It's just crazy. Y'all, look at my window. I'm currently watching YouTube because the line is taking forever to move. Look at my windows. Like, it's covered in snow and fog. It's just, oh my God. Is it worth it? Oh my God. It better be worth it. Because y'all, I know, let me turn this down. I know by the time I get the food, it's going to be super dark and it's snowing. But I feel like I need to try it in the dark for you guys, fresh, because by the time I get home, it's going to be cold, y'all. I got to try it fresh in the dark. Yeah. We might have to do Jollibee's video a do-over, okay? Like when it ain't doing all this crazy mess and when the lines ain't like seriously long and they are moving super slow. Like, y'all, I got a headache. I'm sleepy. Like, it's crazy. And I ain't got that much gas in my car, so I keep having to turn off my car. Everybody else still got their cars on because it's snowing, so they trying to keep like their windows from looking like mines. Maybe I should have had the, you know, camera turned towards me. But yeah, so I have to literally defrost my car before I move. But it's like, when are they gonna move? And like when we do move, it's moving like just like a little bit, like a real little bit. It's like, Jollibee, y'all better be worth it. I'm out in a snowstorm. Y'all, I am at home. Y'all, I am so sorry I cannot give y'all a proper Jollibee's video. I'm currently eating Jollibee's. This is the spaghetti. I've already tried everything I bought. The spaghetti is good. I like the spaghetti. The fries were cold, but it was only cold because I had to drive super far home from Jollibee's, but not, well, it wasn't super far, but when you count in the fact that I had to drive home in a blizzard and drive really slow and cautious, y'all just don't know. That's why, like, I was gonna do a mukbang in my car. This is not a mukbang, y'all. This is just me coming on here telling y'all the situation with what happened with Jollibee's. So earlier I mentioned that this is the chicken, y'all. The chicken is okay. I still prefer Popeyes and KFC over Jollibee's. Like, I really, and I don't like the gravy. I don't like the gravy. I don't like the mashed potatoes either. The peach mango pie is good. I think I ordered those beefs. Is it called like beef steak or something like that with the gravy and mushrooms on top? That was okay. You know what? I'm missing something. They didn't give me my burger. I have so much food. They didn't give me my burger. But I pretty much ordered almost everything off the menu, you guys. I'm sorry if my makeup looked terrible. I have been in that snow. I had to stop at a gas station. And I had to stop at the gas station and get some gas because I was pretty much on E the whole time I was in the line. I had to keep stopping my car. Well, I had to keep turning off my car so that I wouldn't run out of gas. Also, by me doing that, my windows kept fogging up and I can barely see when the line did move because the line moved extra slow. Extra super slow. But yeah, I got there like 3 something. I didn't get my food until about 6:50. Yeah, I was in line that long. I probably should have went inside and I probably would have been able to do it correctly if I would have went inside. But I waited in that line for like 4 hours, 3 or 4, well, about 3.5 hours. So when I went to just put some gas in my car, snow just covering my face. It's a blizzard, y'all. The snow was just coming at my face. Then I didn't even show y'all my food after I've been eating all over it. Oh, I had a spicy chicken sandwich from there too. That's okay. It was okay. So the food from there, it's just okay to me. It's not all that. But y'all, like I was saying, after I put my gas and I got back in my car, my windshield wipers, I have so much snow on it that they wouldn't go back and forth. So I'm trying to like get those to work so I can leave, because I can't drive without the windshield wipers because it's just snow steady coming down and you need the windshield wipers in order to see. So I'm stuck at the gas station until I get that figured out. Y'all, this was good too. This is pineapple juice from there. So good. I think my favorite things from there, my top 3, my favorite thing probably would be the pineapple juice, the peach mango pie, and the spaghetti. Everything else is just meh. You know, I don't really care. I don't know if I would ever like be in a rush to go back to Jollibee's. Unless I want some pineapple juice, where I can make that at home. But yeah, it's just okay. And like I said, I can't even dip dip my chicken in the gravy, because I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like the mashed potatoes. Yeah, but I'm disappointed. My son was disappointed too. Wow. I hope I don't look too crazy, because like I said, the snow got all in my face and my makeup looking cracked up and terrible. I can't wait to take it off. I'm super tired. I'm super sleepy. It was not a good experience at Jollibee as far as the wait time, but it's not their fault that 1,000 people wanted to come try it out, because it's the first location in Michigan. So everybody and their mama there, you know. And I didn't see how and why only crazy people like me would have been out there in a blizzard. Yeah. But it was packed for it to be that bad outside. It was a million people there. This pineapple juice is so good. I took the straw out because I kind of bent the straw and it ain't coming out good. But yeah, y'all, I kind of feel like now I need to DoorDash to make my money back up. Cause I don't want to say I waste my money, but it's not like, it's like nothing what I expected. And I don't want to say it's like nasty. I just really don't care for it like that. Y'all, the dog staring at me. I cannot wait to take this makeup off and go to sleep. I know y'all probably like, yeah, you tired, because I'm talking real slow. I'm tired. I don't even want to eat the rest of this. It's probably because I've just been sitting in my cold car all day, waiting in line for that food, and then to get it, it's very disappointing. I'm probably like the only one. I think I've seen all good reviews and good videos on Jollibee, but me, it's just okay. Like, I'll be fine if I never had it again. But I'm missing a burger. Yeah, buddy, I'm missing a burger. Y'all gotta excuse the dog. And like, what is this? Like, is this, well, the camera won't focus. But it's just like chopped up hot dogs and spaghetti. I'm gonna take one more bite of this, y'all. Jollibees. The food was fresh and hot when I got it, but like I said, it took me a while to get home because I had to drive in a blizzard, and I had to stop at a gas station, and I got stuck at the gas station because my windshield wipers wouldn't come on. Alright, y'all. I already tried the peach mango pie. You know what? I should rate everything. Even though y'all didn't see me eat everything. This right here was that steak burger situation. I get it a 3 out of 10. This pineapple juice a 10 out of 10. This peach mango pie is a 9 out of 10. The spaghetti is a 7 out of 10. The chicken is a 6 out of 10. What else did I have? The gravy is a 2 out of 10. What else? The mashed potatoes, a 2 out of 10. Yeah. Jollibee's wasn't doing it for me. I was so excited. Y'all seen how excited I was. But to me, it didn't live up to his expectations or to my expectations. That pineapple juice is so good. Woo! Y'all, I'm kind of full anyway. Even though I feel like I didn't eat a lot, I kind of did because I was trying a little bit of everything, and then I made me a plate of food. But yeah. That's Jollibee's for you, because I was not going to do this video. I mean, it's still not a proper good video, but I just had to come on here and tell y'all. I mean, because I probably won't go back I mean, that's why I just did the video. Even though it's not like how I would have wanted the video to be. I don't know if I'm gonna go back. So I just had to come on here and let y'all know what I think about it, even though y'all didn't get a proper mukbang video the way I normally do them. So yeah, and then I'm on here looking a mess. My face, my makeup looks a mess. But anyway, I'm sleepy. I'm very tired. So I'm about to end the video, you guys. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss an upload whenever I upload a video here on my channel. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.